How to use private mode in Brave browser. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use private mode in Brave browser. Brave browser is a browser that enables you to browse privately or secretly on line, such that you would not be traced by any site, and again you would not be asked to accept cookies or websites. So how can you use this private mode? You can use this by installing Brave browser on your PC at first, and then once you've installed it, go ahead and launch the website. So once the website is launched, you'll be brought to the home page and the tab where you can search for whatever you want, the search bar, etc. And the next for you to do is move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see three dashes. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. Once this box is displayed, the next thing for you to do is to click on the new private window. All right, you can see other options like new tab, new window, new private window store. Ensure you select the new private window. Once you select this new private window, you will take it to the new private mode page automatically. So this is what the new private page looks like. On this page, you can browse and search for whatever you want. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.